Hello everyone. I am your brother Horace and welcome to Mobile Coder. This is the day number 9 in our 50 days front-end challenge. So in this today's video we are going to discuss about some properties like your inline property and blockline property and some attributes like your IDs and classes. Some time before when I referred some articles, there you have seen some IDs and classes. What are these? So in later video we are going to discuss it. Okay, first of all we are going to discuss what is inline property and what is blockline property. So basically whenever I talk about inline property show how a inline property work. So basically inline property says about that. So when L, I write L and I write H, this comes, when I see the output, this comes in one line. So this is called as inline. If this is breaked just like this, if I put a BR tag, then it come with a break line property. So this is a block line property. That means the I cover complete screen width and H also cover complete screen width in a line. Due to the BR that happened, but initially if don't put any BR, this is inline property. So basically there is some tags in HTML which follows, some tags follows inline property and some tags follow blockline property. If I talk about inline tag, your span tag, SPAN, span. If I write hello inside this span and I create another span, this is another span. So if I run it, then the output is come in a line, hello. Next, in that line also come everyone. That means this is inline property. This span follow inline property. But what up when I talk about tag like here, the same thing if I write with the help of just I put a chair. After it, if I write a paragraph tag, then inside the paragraph if I put some random paragraph, and after it if I create another paragraph tag, there is I also put some random paragraph. So if I run it, this paragraph are break the line and give also a space. Do you understand anything from this example? Do you understand what is happened here? This is block line property. The paragraph tag, first paragraph tag means this paragraph is covered the whole line and the next paragraph also covered their whole line. That's why this showing at one line. So I want to do some experiment. If I write first paragraph, then it span. So what is happened here? Anyone can guess that? This also break the line because this paragraph tag, due to the paragraph tag, this cover whole line. So if I do it like this, so then also the paragraph comes with another line because the paragraph tag follow block line property, not inline property. All right, There is some other tag are also available like your div tag. To make a division, you can apply div tag. So this also follow break line property, I mean block line property. That's why this come with another block line. Okay, so I think you have a better understand now what is inline property and what is break line property. Alright, after it we have already discussed that we are going to discuss today here what. First of all, here ID and classes. Do you know what is ID and what is classes? These are the attributes which identify. ID is used to identify a chat, or classes are used to identify namify or name, to give a name to some tags. So remember one thing, whenever you apply IDs, you have to provide unique ID to unique tags. For every tag you have to provide unique ID, but whenever you are going to apply classes, you can apply one class in multiple tags. Whenever you are going to call in the CSS, this is going to be helpful. I just see you an example. So I created a div here. Inside this div, if I going to inside it and provide a ID, that name is here D1. So this is a unique ID. Now if I going to here and create another div, which ID I given that what? I given that D2. That means it indicates that this is div 2. Alright. Now I am going to finish it. So do you see anything here? No, because I don't write anything. If I put here 1 and here is your 2, then do you see anything? Yes, 1, 2 are printed in the screen. But whenever in later series you are going to learn about your CSS properties, then you can apply CSS like this. Your CSS like in a style tag you have to put the CSS property. So inside the style tag you have to call this your IDs by the IDs. That's why I refer that you have to apply ID attribute in a tag. Whenever you are going to apply this ID attribute, you can easily call that in CSS property when you are going to apply the CSS property. So to call a ID, you have to apply this hash symbol and also give the name of that particular ID. D1. So whenever you are going to call a ID, first of all you have to go give that hash symbol and give the name of that ID. So I call here D1. So inside this D1 I can apply some properties like here background properties. These are some CSS properties. In later CSS, when you are going to learn CSS, then you can understand better it. I put background red and height width. And also width. Shown if I run it, the first block, the first div is color red and height width also given here. But what about the second div? If you want to make this both div with same property, you don't apply with their IDs. You have to give their classes. same classes, because I says that classes must be same but IDs must be unique. So classes, this is class, I give a class div, and this is also given a class div. So you are going to apply this properties not on ID, you are going to apply in class. So whenever you are going to apply this in a class, you don't use this hat symbol, you have to use a simple dot symbol and call this class name. Just write these properties inside the brackets. Now if you run it, then you can see the both contains same property, because you are apply in that class where the both are have same class. But whenever you want to give to unique property, you have to call ID. When you want to apply multiple elements same properties, you can use class. So this is basic ID and class. Alright guys, I think you guys are enjoyed this today video. So if you are do it, so you have to do only one thing, that press the like button, and if you are forgot to subscribe our channel, please do it fast now and select the bell icon, because when tomorrow the next video come, you can get the notification fast. So just like it and share it with your friends and make a good comment. So if you have any query, you can just tag me. I will try to give the solution, proper solution of your query. So bye.